Today we are at the English version of Las Vegas, Skegness, at Fancy Island. So let's go and see what's here at Skegness. Come on in, let's go to Vegas.
La 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 la, wait till I give my money right. I had a dream I could find my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard to.
Wait, this isn't Vegas.
No, we're at Skegness. You can actually replay the last clip and you see I actually said
Come on in, let's go to
Skegness. Fantasy Island, the UK's answer to Las Vegas. Think about it, they've got massive roller coasters,
Like the Big Apple coaster.
arcades that feel like casinos, a giant pyramid,
Like the Luxor.
a desert, wait, no, that's just a ridiculous huge beach, and a massive market that's basically the British strip of Vegas, where you can buy American candy, a dog trolley, and an urn. But of course we had to start the day off with the big rides, because both major coasters here are manufactured by.
Okay, Mum.
And the first ride of the day is Millennium. Yeah, can you help me with this?
Millennium.
And it opened back in, and yeah, you guessed it,
Millennium.
no, it actually opened in 1999. So let's give it a ride.
It's Caravan Paradise, look at it. Oh my god.
Shouldn't do this after eating either.
Yeah, just ate fish and chips. It's not bad, is it? Oh, it's another loop. It actually weren't too bad. It kind of reminds me of like Rock and Roller Coaster.
You know what? I actually enjoyed that coaster. It was actually quite intense. The forces on there was quite good. It surprised me. And I can say this is better than the Big Apple coaster, minus the location.
And see our window view of the Big Apple coaster.
And speaking of Vegas and ridiculous amounts of money, we're about to ride Odyssey, once known as the most expensive roller coaster in the UK. So let's ride.
Cracking lad. Thanks for being easy, man. You do get a bit of a batter on that.
Not as bad as before, though.
No, it's definitely improvement from before, but yeah. Yeah.
You know what? It's not the worst SLC we've been on, but yeah, it's a little bit rough, but yeah, it was good.
This park is free to enter and uses cool contactless wristbands for easy access to every ride.
Not only it's free to enter, but you can also bring your dogs along and your Highland cows. And you can give them a wash and you can buy a towel afterwards.
What's even better is that every wristband also includes adventure golf. All 18 holes are included. Oh, missed. Doesn't even count.
Oh, so close. No pressure. Oh, where is it going? I can't even see it. Oh no. So close. Well done though. That was a lot better than me. 2. Oh. Okay, start that again. All right. Need that good transition shot. Right, ready? Oh. Okay. Start again. All right. This time it's gonna be it. Oh. Yay. Right, whatever you do, don't hit in this direction of me. No, don't hit me. Hit the hole. I said don't try and hit me. Yeah, try another shot. That's just practice, yeah? Uh-oh. In the gully. Wait, where's it gone? Oh, there, it's camouflage. Oh. Try again, one more go. This is gonna be the one. Oh, maybe not. Right, last go. You can do it. Happy Gilmore it. Yes. Just there. Yeah, just drop it there. There we go. This is your second shot. Hey, I'll get you. That's 2 for you. Oh. Ah, you got it. Yeah, I was currently counting it without a calculator, with an intelligent mind. Oh wait, what are we doing?
Writing it.
Writing it, so you know the score?
Yeah.
Oh no. Let's get out here and see who has won.
And the winner is... me!
Once again, Kiara has won, like our previous video at the Harry Potter themed golf. If you haven't already, give it a watch.
Hole in one. Yay!
Now let's see what crazy stuff we can find at the market, right next to the big coasters.
This market is known to be Europe's biggest market to be open 7 days a week. So let's see what we can buy here at this super crazy market.
Oh. We need to get that. Yeah? She loves, is it squeak?
I don't think so.
Well, she'll like it anyways.
A little dachshund loved the ball and yet did try to destroy it.
Hot dog!
You silly sausage.
Hot dog! Hot dog!
Anyways, let's go back and have a look at this crazy market. You can actually buy a sofa set in a theme park.
And you can even get a big can of Heinz beans. And fun fact, Heinz actually comes from the USA.
Talking about US food. So since going to America, there's one thing I came back loving.
I think it is. It is root beer. Oh. My favourite ever drink. And that's what I got for birthdays and Christmases. This one, isn't it? Well,
Root beer. And And you can also buy a viral pickle kit. I actually didn't know about this, even though I did make a pickle cake last month. And yes, it was very pickly.
Yeah, just move the pickle aside. Oh, look at that. You can see it in there. Oh, yeah. That's pickle.
Fanta Island.
We're going to Fanta Island. Oh, Fantasy Island, not Fanta Island. Fanta Island. Oh. Pigeons.
Inside the massive pyramid, there are many indoor attractions and dark rides.
And the rides here are actually decent, so let's check them out.
Oh, look, a little zebra. And a little lion. It's like Indiana Jones. Oh, it's got the laser. Oh, it's a screen. Oh. How are you doing that?
I'm far too strong for you to stop me this time.
It's different, isn't it? It's a bit different, isn't it?
Follow him. No, not that will.
Oh, it's actually trackless. Oh. Wow, yeah, I don't know how you could manage that. Well, it's not focused. Yeah, let's see your score.
You're still getting more.
Oh wow. Well done. And how'd that guy get 150? There's no one
Maybe
there.
it was a ghost.
Ooh, scary. It kind of smells like pirates, doesn't it?
Smell of water.
My turtle. So, what are you doing here? Elephant fish. And a pigfish. What? A dogfish. Oh, lionfish. I see. Starfish. Bye. 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 Bye.
So now it's time for our favourite part, and it is the food.
And of course, being by the British seaside, we had to have some fish and chips.
I'm sorry, I had a burger at a fish and chip store.
It's massive.
Yeah, it's really good theme in here. And also the ceiling, it kind of reminds me of, like, you know when you have takeaway fish and chips and they wrap it up in paper? It kind of looks like a big paper mache, like wrapping paper up here. Do you kind of get what I mean? Yeah? No? Okay. So, did we enjoy our visit here at Fantasy Island? Yeah. Like I say, it's a unique theme park. We enjoyed it. The atmosphere was great. The rides actually surprised us. The food here was really nice and cheap. And we can't wait to visit again, and especially at Halloween for Fear Island. So, thank you for watching, and we'll definitely ride all the other rides when we come back. Like this one. Like this one. This one. Why are you not going? This one. There we go. And what is your favourite ride here at Fantasy Island? Let us know.